Logan, you want to make your bird? All right, come on over.
Make your birdie. Go make your birdie.
No more beads, Bradley, okay? No more beads.
Oh, you're going to put a big
Here, can you pull this string nice and tight? Pull it. Keep pulling until it makes a knot. Pull more.
He won't go.
There we go. So see, it holds a knot.
You want to see it?
And then we have to do that again over here and for the legs. What color beads do you like?
See it?
We need big ones, the big round ones. You like purple or black? Black, me too. Okay, we'll use black for your feet. Okay, here, pull this one now. Pull it.
What color do you want?
Keep pulling
This
so
color?
it's nice and tight.
Okay.
There we go. So that'll be for the string part.
Not
Now we got to make his legs.
Just on the paper. Just on the paper. Here, there you go. Pops on them.
Can you pull that string through? This one right here on that side. See that one? Pull it. Keep pulling until we have a long leg. Keep pulling. There, that's good. And then we'll do another one.
I want to make that man with some.
Bradley, you didn't make a bird yet, did you?
Yeah.
Let's put it on there. You find 2 big black beads. Big ones. The black. Oh, you want purple? You can use purple. Can you find another one like that?
Put it back in the jar.
We could use black and purple. There we go. Okay, and then find 2 more like that. Can you find 2 more like that? Those same colors? There's a black. Well, you had it. Find a black. No, find one that looks like this. Can you find one that looks like this? Find one of those. Okay, good. And then find another one of these. Okay? We'll use those too.
Look, a place the little girl.
See, it has to have the purple lines. It's got all black. Can you find another purple one like that? Look.
She cooking?
Big one. That's purple. Yeah. Okay.
Put it on there real
And
hard.
then you're going to put it on the string.
Let's see. Let's see. Oh, there we go.
Okay, can you put it on here? Look. You put that one probably won't fit, but the black or the purple one will. Okay, try the black or purple. Try to stick it on there.
Let's see. There we go. You got it. You got it, didn't you? Yeah. Here, let's put this one over
Okay, I'm going to have you glue the eyes on, okay? All right, Noah. Go ahead and put that white one on the glue right there. And then the white one on the glue right there. Yep, and put this one on. Almost done. You just got to put feathers on. Ooh, that is pink. Do you like pink?
Yeah.
Yeah. You do. Most girls do. Do you like pink or purple better?
Purple.
One of you likes pink and one of you likes purple better. We're going to go ahead and staple his eyes on there so they stay.
Let's see.
Stick it on there. Can you push it down a little more? I know you don't want to. There, good job. Let me see. I know, those are pretty with the flowers. I like those.
Oh, dear.
Alright.
What?
Or whether I'm going to leave my dickies or what.
You know what that card does. You know what that card does. Goes, a card
There, hold on. Stick in one hand. There you go. And then make them move like that.
This is yours,
See?
Nola?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
You made your own bird puppet. Good job.
Hallie, do you want some?
Boy.
Huh?
Do you want a snack?
I gotta look up here.